Hey guys, I'm back in Woodforest today and we're going to be checking out this 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,900 square foot house in Woodforest. It is 149 South Carson Cub Court. Let's check it out. This house is on a cul-de-sac, which is absolutely fantastic. Gorgeous all around. Nice big lot too, so you're not super close to your neighbors. You've got some space in between, which is nice. We're going to come on in the front door. Walking in the front door, immediately off to your left, you have your office space. I like those curtains, those are cute. It's a nice big space. You do have double doors, so you can close. Coming on into your formal dining. Also a nice big space, and you have a lot of natural light. And there's puppies, hi puppy. Coming back over here, that's looking back down the hallway towards the door, and look at those high ceilings. They're really high. That's really nice. Let's go towards our left-hand side, and you've got your first bedroom of 4. And this house is listed for $499,000 in Woodforest. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, just over 2,900 square feet. You do have your bathroom here with your shower. And then right here, this is the garage. But then right here, you have this little nook for backpacks, for shoes, for whatever. That's nice. Coming on into the living room, it is, look at those ceilings. Super high ceilings in all of these windows with this natural light. It is just stunning. Into the kitchen, we do have stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, gas range, and this is a through to your formal. Nice big farmhouse sink. And look at those light fixtures. What do you think about those light fixtures? I like them. Into your breakfast area, so much light in this area. And then this, of course, you're looking back into your kitchen. Those ceilings, and so that's looking up into your bonus room, but we'll get there in a minute. And then that, of course, goes onto your back patio, huge covered back patio, and we'll check that out as well. So if I'm gonna flip around, again, this is your kitchen, breakfast nook. I like the flooring. Everything is nice and neutral, which is fantastic. We're gonna come through here to the master. So tons of natural light in this master. And I love those ceilings. Nice and high. I like that little decoration. Into master bath. They've got a kitty around here somewhere too, probably hiding from us. Your double sinks, granite countertops. It looks like there is a ton of storage there. Flip on over. You've got a big walk-in. Nice deep tub. And a big walk-in closet. So this is a lot of space. And you've got some built-ins for organization. I think we all need a little bit more organization. At least I know I do. Coming back through your master. Let's go upstairs. Oh, look at the gas fireplace. I like that backsplash or that stone detail. Over here we have laundry. So it's really deep and you've got your built-ins. So you've got plenty of room. You see they have a refrigerator. And let's go up the stairs. This carpet looks like it's in really great condition. Back into our bonus room. So again, lots of light. Recessed ceilings are really pretty. And this is a big space. So lots of room for activities up here. If you got that movie reference, put it down in the comments. So this is what it looks like from your catwalk to the living room. Coming all the way down. To our right, we have a bedroom. The coloring in here is really nice. Again, it's super light in here. And you've got your bath with shower. And then your other bedroom with a view towards the front. Yeah, big bedrooms, lots of space. Let's go back out. And let's go check out the back patio. So back down the stairs. Try not to trip. Here we go. And onto our back patio. All right, so this is a lot of space too. Cute little playhouse. And they've got the lights up here. I like that. So this is plenty of room if you wanted a pool. And it goes back pretty far on the side yard. And it goes back that way as well. So yeah, you've got quite a bit of space. And out here, under the covered patio, you still have plenty of space to entertain. Back into our living room. This house is absolutely stunning. Again, it's in Woodforest. It is listed for $499, 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more gorgeous homes in Montgomery County.